customs. I had a returning client that trusted my vision and wanted me to Photoshop up an ideal for him, which I would have right here. But he wanted me to Photoshop an ideal of him. When I first met him at my job, he was wearing a KAWS t-shirt, so I knew he liked the KAWS. So I mocked up this actual Photoshop of these slides, put Homer right here, Bart right here, and this KAWS theme. You're going to see it once again, like I said, right here. And it was a simple, clean custom to me. I liked it to drip. I always like drip. And this was the best shoe to do it on, I felt. So without any further ado, I already made some stencils that y'all are going to see me apply first. I'm going to probably let this dry overnight just so I don't have to worry about peeling when I put tape over it. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. The stencils that I use for my Cricut, my circuit Cricut, and I make them myself. So if you ever need some, just DM me on Instagram and they come out clean. Y'all seeing a little bit of mess ups right there, which ain't no big deal at all. You gonna see how I installed this. It's gonna come out very clean. So first I'm going to go get my cut mat. Get my little cutter. A little cutter, I don't know what to call this thing, but it works so smoothly. Just like so. I normally just weed it all out and take it out as one, but I might just actually cut this out, put it on there with the transfer paper. So I'm about to put this into a time lapse. In fact, I never see me cut it. So y'all about to see me cut and install and put these on here. I used this from my Cricut Explorer 2. I make stencils, so if y'all ever need any stencils, just DM me on Instagram. Let me know the sizes that you want your stencil and what type of ideal. I can make anything you need, so let me know and you can place an order. I'm about to take this into a full-fledged business, so I appreciate you guys' support right now, and there's gonna be more videos coming soon. Okay, so for Homer's mouth, we are going to use Capizzo Tan. I didn't say it right, but it's whatever. So now that we got the shoes all prepped off, we about to go on with this background with my first color, hot pink. Then we're gonna be using gift box blue for our drips. So to touch this off, we're gonna seal this up with some LK shoes leather top coat, where this shoe would be scratch resistance without a doubt. So we about to just spray this in. I'll put this on tire glass real quick and get straight to it.